Hi everyone, I'm Martin from LEDYi Lighting. Today, I'm excited to share some innovative coffee shop lighting ideas that can transform your space into a cozy and inviting haven for your customers. At LEDYi Lighting, we specialize in high-quality LED strip lights and LED neon lights. These versatile lighting solutions can be used to create different moods and enhance the overall aesthetic of your coffee shop. Let's dive into some of the best lighting ideas for coffee shops. First, ambient lighting is crucial. It sets the overall tone of your space. Warm LED lights can create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Consider using LED strip lights along shelves, counters, or under furniture to add a soft, diffused glow. Next, task lighting is essential for areas where specific activities occur, like the counter where baristas work or reading nooks. Pendant lights or adjustable LED spotlights can provide focused illumination, ensuring these areas are well lit and functional. Accent lighting can highlight architectural features or decor elements, making your coffee shop stand out. Use LED neon lights to outline unique features or to draw attention to artwork and special displays. LED lights are incredibly versatile and energy efficient. They offer a wide range of color temperatures and can be dimmed to match different times of the day or events. Whether you're looking to create a vibrant morning vibe or a relaxed evening setting, LED lighting can adapt to your needs. At LEDYi Lighting, we're committed to helping you find the perfect lighting solutions for your coffee shop. Visit our website at www.ledyilighting.com to explore our wide range of products and get inspired. Remember, quality light leads to a quality life. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need personalized advice, feel free to contact us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more lighting tips and ideas. See you next time.